So from the simulations available on LabXchange, I decided to focus on how to utilize the PhET simulation on gas intro, which is a lesson taught in 10th grade. It usually appear in physics courses if ever the students will take engineering or science education, or if they plan to become physicists. So compared to the realistic design of the Java Lab, simulations from the PhET simulation are more on exploratory, and their designs are usually complex. Gas laws is one of the topics that rely heavily on realistic applications to be able to understand them. So if you check the curriculum, gas laws is scheduled for 2 weeks together with kinetic molecular theory. As a part of digital learning, I want to utilize the PhET simulation to introduce the class into the different gas laws that we will be going to discuss in the next succeeding sessions. Since I want the activity to be exploratory, I will be utilizing the tool as a collaborative activity for the students. So I will first review necessary concepts, discuss some key information, then announce the nature of the activity and give general instructions. Since there are 4 basic laws that needs to be tackled during the class, I want to have the students use the simulation to investigate each law with one law assigned to one group. The parsing of the activity will be given as guide questions that they need to answer and share to their other classmates. But before getting the students to explore the simulation, I will be giving them a brief tutorial on how to use it and give each group different set of instructions regarding the laws assigned to them. Group 1 will be investigating Boyle's law. The second group will be investigating Charles' law. The third group will explore Gay-Lussac's law. And the last group will be investigating Avogadro's law. The students must be able to share what they found out and answer the guide questions assigned to them. The results of the experiment will then be used for processing as introduction so that the students will be more familiar with the topics during the more focused discussions. As a quick sample of how the tutorial will be done, here is a brief intro. So, after opening the simulation, ito yung makikita nyo. Nasa gilid yung mga values na pwede nyong gawing constant. Tapos, nasa taas yung thermometer para sa temperature. Yung lamp, dito sa baba, para sa source of heat. So, you can adjust it. Yung pump naman para sa number of particles. So, dagdag ka lang. Tapos yung handle para sa pagbago ng volume. Tapos andito sa gilid yung pang-measure ng pressure. So, if you are instructed to investigate pressure and volume, dagdag ka lang ng air molecules by moving this pump. So, pwede mo ring baguhin yung type ng particles na gusto mong gamitin. So, you can follow the instructions in the instruction sheet, and kapag tapos na you can explore the simulation. So, good luck and have fun!